Now welcome to our favorite video channel Sri Ganit Vijnana Sarvasvam. This is B Ramesh Kumar, JL in Mathematics. Now today we discuss the concept limits. Now we take two standard limits. These are limit n tends to infinity x power n equals to 0 if mod x is less than 1, and second one is limit n tends to infinity x power n equals to infinity if mod x greater than 1. Now we take these two formulas to find the solutions of the given problems. Here solution of these problems solving in 10 seconds only. So the procedure of these problems, first of all, you see the results of limits. Limit n tends to infinity x power n equals to 0. Here absolute value x is less than 1. So absolute value x is less than 1, then the limit of that function is 0. Otherwise is greater than 1, then the limit of that function equals to infinity. These are two standard limits. Now using these to find these solutions. Now given the first problem is limit n tends to infinity 4 power n plus 5 power n whole power 1 by n. Now first I observe that 4 and 5 contains power n's. Here the greater value is 5. Now we take common 5. Then the limit is converted into, so 5 power n common, it will be written as 5 power n whole power n. Already it contains 1 by n power into 4 by 5 whole power n plus 1 whole power 1 by n. So here n cancelled. That value will goes to 5 power 1. That means 5. And we observe 4 by 5. So this is x. So x mod x is less than 1. Mod x means either minus x or plus x. So 4 by 5 which is also less than 1. Therefore that value, the limit of that value equals to 0. So here also this value 0 plus 1. So 1 power 1 by n. N tends to infinity implies 1 by n tends to 0. So 5 power 5 into 1 power 0, that value equals to 5. So this is the solution. It is very easiest process for this problem. Similarly, to find solutions of these also. Now the second problem is limit n tends to infinity 5 power n plus 1 plus 3 power n minus 2 power 2n by 5 power n plus 2 power n plus 3 power 2n plus 3. Here first we write each and every term contains powers of n. So this form can be written as limit n tends to infinity. Here we write 5 power n into 5. That is 5 into 5 power n plus 3 power n minus 2 power 2n means it will be written as a power n whole power n. So 2 square whole power n, that is 4 power n whole by, in the denominator 5 power n. Here always contain power n plus 2 power n. It is also same. Here in the third term 3 power 2n plus 3. Here we write 3 square whole power n, that is 9 power n into 3 cube. 3 cube means 27. Here we observe both numerator and denominator 5, 3, 4, 2, 9 contains powers of n. Here we observe the greater value is 9. Now we divide with both numerator and denominator 9 power n. Then it will convert into some 5 by 9, 3 by 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9, 2 by 9. And this is 9 by 9 power n by 9 power n. It will be cancelled. So the remaining values all less than 1. So 5 by 9 less than 1, 3 by 9 less than 1, 4 by 9 less than 1, 5 by 9 less than 1, 2 by 9 less than 1. So both numerator values are zeros. The limit c equals to zeros. By in this also, first term is 0, second term is 0. In the third term 9 power n, dividing with 9 power n. So both are cancelled. Only the value is 27. So it is 27 only. Now the value of this one equals to numerator total value 0 by 27 means 0 by 27 equals to 0. So this is the solution for second one. Similarly, we follow these two sums also. Direct we write. So limit n tends to infinity. Here also we write power n's. So 2 power n plus 1, it will be written as 2 power n into 2. 2 into 3, which equals to 6. And here into 2 power n minus 4 into 5 power n into 5. That is 4 into 5, 20 into 5 power n whole by. Here always contains power n's. So written is same, plus 7 into 5 power n. Now here we observe that 2 and 5 contains powers of n. Here the greater value is 5. Now divide with 5. This is also 0. So that equals to the limit of that function is 0. Because of 2 by 5 is less than 1. So using first standard limit, that value is 0. So that equals to 0. Here 5 power n by 5 power n, both numerator and denominator cancelled. Minus 20 by, here 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is less than 1. This is also 0. Plus 7 into 5 power n by 5 power n. Both are cancelled. The remaining term only 7. Now that answer is minus 20 by 7. This is the solution for third one. Similarly, we go to fourth one also. Now here direct we write. First of all, we write powers of n. Limit n tends to infinity. Here 2 into 3 power n into 3. That is 3 into 2, 6. Into 3 power n minus 3 into 5 power n into 5. That is 15. Into 5 power n. In the denominator, directly 3 and 5 already contains powers of n. So here written same. 3 into 5 power n. Now that equals to, here we observe 3 and 5. The greater value is 5. Divide with 5 power n. So this value is 0. Minus 15 into 5 power n by 5 power n. Cancelled. Only the value is 15. By, here also 0. Plus 5 power n by 5 power n cancelled. The value is 3. Here 3 by 5 is always less than 1. So the limit of that function equals to 0. Now substitute the 0 in this limit. Then simplify this one, minus 15 by 3, that equals to minus 5. So this is the solution for fourth one. Similarly, the next sums also followed by in the same manner using the standard limits. So it is very easiest formation and very short trick for the limits using the standard limits, which are the form power 1 by n. Which are the form is power 1 by n form. So this is the solution for standard limits using the given problems. So thank you one and all.